Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. This is the last Inktober 2019 video. Inktober is now over. Definitely learned a lot about my art style and learned a lot about what I do and don't like to do, how I like to do things, and have definitely grown in practice. So very thankful for this Inktober opportunity. I want to take this last video to do a flip through of all of the pages. I'll do it pretty quickly, but just so that you can see what I did from start to finish, how my art grew from start to finish. There was only one day that I wasn't able to complete my inking on the same day, but I was able to do it the next day. So all the other ones I was able to do on time. So very proud of myself, very glad that I participated, and let's take a look. So this is the Inktober book I did. It was an Art Snacks book with the Art Snacks Inktober box. A wonderful box. Paper's not my favorite in this journal, but I love the journal itself. I love the feel of it and the size of it. I also used items that I received in the Smart Art October box, which included what I used most, ended up using the most was my pit pins. So the kit did come with the October Smart Art did come with some pit pins. So I ended up using these the most towards the end. And also my sketchbox items. So I used all of these within this journal itself, and probably more. There's stuff that I pulled from my stash just to play around with it. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. So day 1, ring. Day 2, mindless. Day 3, bait. Day 4, freeze, sorry. I did frozen. Prompt was freeze. Day 5, build the bear building blocks. Day 6, my messiest one for sure, husky. Day 7, enchanted. Day 8, frail. Day 9, swing. Day 10, patterns, probably my least favorite one, but it took a lot of time. Day 11, snow. Day 12, dragon. Day 13, ash. Day 14, and I worked on the eye so much on ash that it started to open up the paper, so I had to reinforce it. Day 14, overgrown, my overgrown pumpkin. Day 15, I don't know if I miscounted there. Day 14, overgrown. Day 15, legend. 16, wild. This is where I started to realize that I really like this sketchy look, and that I was most comfortable with the sketchy look. Day 17, ornament. Day 18, misfit. It's the island of misfit toys. Day 19, sling. Playing around with the shading. Day 20, tread. Again, playing around with the shading. Day 21, treasure. Her eye's too big, but otherwise I'm happy. 22 is ghost. One of my most favorite, day 23, is ancient. Day 24 was dizzy. And this ride makes me so dizzy I won't ride it anymore at Magic Kingdom or Disneyland. Day 25, tasty. Day 26, dark. Day 27, coat. Day 28, ride. And since I already did the teacups as a ride, I wanted to do something a little bit different, so It's a Small World. Day 29, Injured. The Mad Donald. Day 30, Catch. So they're trying to catch Dumbo, but they're not going to do it. And of course, the last one, Last Night, Day 31, Rape. I also did a couple other drawings in this book just during the month of October, so I decided they could be in here since I had extra pages. I have a little Eeyore's face is too big. A cutesy little guy right here. It's already posted. It posted yesterday, but I was working on an Eeyore collaboration, so I had to practice on drawing the Eeyores and learning how to do him the best, so that's why he's in here. And that is all that I have. So thank you for joining me on my Inktober journey. Overall, very successful. I'm very happy with the way that it turned out, and we'll absolutely be doing it again next year. Thanks for watching.